Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix d3dx9 underscore 34d.dll error in Windows 10 or Windows 11 device. Let's fix that problem guys. First thing, you just need to open up File Explorer, select this PC and select your local disk guys. Double click on it and double click on the Windows folder and search for System32, double click on it. In System32 you need to search for, you can also check my video description for this DLL error code guys. You just need to copy it and paste it in the System32 search menu, paste it in. If you anything found in here, you just want to right click on it and you just want to select delete guys. You just want to delete it. I'm deleting. Click on continue and delete it. And the same way you want to do, you just need to go back in Windows and search for sys wow 64. You just need to double click on it. The same thing you want to search for it, select paste the error code DLL. Want to, if anything found in here, you just want to right click it and select delete and select the continue. After getting deleted guys, close out of here and you just need to open up Google Chrome. Search for DirectX, D-I-R-E-C-T, DirectX download, press enter. You just need to click on Microsoft official website DirectX guys, click on it. Scroll down. Here is download option is here guys, click on download and download it. After getting download, you just need to go to File Explorer and go to Downloads tab and select DX Web Setup. Double click on it and you just want to install it guys. You just want to install it, select as and select accept the argument and install it. After getting installed done guys, select the next and continue installing. After getting installed done, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. If this doesn't fix your problem, let's move on to the next solution guys. For that, you just need to open up Google Chrome and search for DLL, press enter. Opens up dllofficialfiles.com website, click on it. You just need to search for the missing DLL in here. You just want to search for it. I will given in my description search item. Just need to search for it, paste it in and press enter. It will file name the same name we get it. Just want to click on it. Click on the file name under d3dx9. Just want to download it guys, the file. Just close it, scroll down. Here will be option guys. Just need to download the, if your computer has 32-bit, you just need to download 32-bit. If you are in 64-bit computer, you just want to download 64-bit guys. For checking that, go to File Explorer, right click on this PC and select properties. Opens up system properties guys and system type 64-bit. If you are having and there 32-bit, you just want to download this 32-bit. I'm 64 bits, that's why I'm downloading this one. After getting downloaded, wait for it, your download will start 2 seconds. After getting download, you just want to go to File Explorer and you just want to open it. close the Chrome. Downloads, you just want to extract the file, extract to, select and select OK, and there will be extracted the folder. You just want to double click on it, and you just need to drag and drop the folder to desktop, the service DLL folder. Now you just want to go to this PC, local disk C, and go to Windows, and you just want to copy this folder, copy or drag and drop, that's your choice, but you can copy and paste it in easily guys. Copy and paste in the system32, yes, system32, right click on it and select paste, select paste, select continue. After getting paste, you just need to same way, you just want to copy it and paste it in sys 32 sys WOW64. You just want to right click on it and select paste. The same way you want to do it, select continue and paste it in. After getting pasted in guys, close out of here and you just want to restart your PC, and after you getting restart, your problem will be resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.